The holidays are right around the corner, and I hear that Amici is making it easier than ever to celebrate. So what's going on in this season?
That's right. We know the holidays are all about family, friends, and great food. And Amici has you covered with two really great options. You can book a banquet in our event center for your holiday party or order catering to go. Bring the Amici experience right to your home or office.
So what kind of food are we talking about for holiday catering?
All of your Amici favorites, Brenda, from our pastas and chicken parmesans to appetizer trays and salads, desserts, everything made fresh and ready to impress your guests.
Sounds like the perfect way to take the stress out of holiday hosting.
Exactly, whether you're planning a big company party or just a family get-together.
So book your banquet or place your catering order today and let Amici Italian Restaurant in North Royalton make your holidays unforgettable. If you mention RES TV,
We've extended the offer for the free party room rental for your viewers. As long as they mention the show and their parties are 40 or more, they'll get a free party room rental.